Well, it was an absolute privilege for Llandudno to be awarded the Armed Forces Day. It often goes to large cities, and to bring it here to a relatively small town on the coast of North Wales is fantastic. And obviously it's in the start of our summer season, 30th of June. The town's going to be busy anyway, but the idea is that this is just a legacy event as well. So it's not just about the weekend, which will be fantastic, I can't wait, and the thousands of people that are going to see Llandudno. It's going to be a busy weekend, but they're going to come to this place where they perhaps hadn't thought about coming to Llandudno before because of Armed Forces Day. So in years to come, I can see a real legacy from this event, and that's the main reason that we are delighted to host it in the town. So the economic benefit really is obvious. There's going to be thousands of people here. The hoteliers are going to be absolutely rammed, and the caravan parks and the campsites around this area are going to be very busy. And then the town itself, the cafes and the businesses, or just the normal retail shops, are all going to benefit. Cleethorpes had, I think, £6 million worth of extra business over not just that one day, but over the week in the build-up to the Armed Forces Day and afterwards. So it's a real win-win for the town. It's going to be a great day.